Is it really possible to watch videos online and earn some money? Oh well, this video would answer that question and much more, because I'll be showing you 5 websites where you can watch videos and make money online. Hey guys, my name is Bede. Welcome to another video. What I do on this channel is explore and research on the diverse opportunities online to make passive income, and I come here to share it with you. If this is the type of video you would like to see from time to time, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you would know when these videos drop. Lastly, please like this video so more people can see it and be empowered with this information. Let's go right in. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned earlier, I'll be showing you 5 websites where you can watch videos and make money, make passive income. Alright, so a quick disclaimer guys, a quick one. This is not the video that shows you where you make the big money to buy that fancy house, buy that fancy car, all that kinds of fancy stuff. All right, now these are like the website where you go to watch videos and make little money here and there to just get by. All right, so let your expectations not hit the roof. All right guys, so I like to be very real about these things. All right, so I'm gonna just dive in right now. Out of these 5 websites, one of them is a Nigerian website where you can make money, passive income in Naira. Now the other 4 are foreign websites, so I'm just going to show you. I'm sure you've not seen the Nigerian website before, but this is relatively new and people are jumping on it, making money. All right, so let me start with one of the foreign websites. Everybody, a lot of people know Swagbox. As you can see on my screen right now, Swagbox is one of those websites where you can jump on and make little money, dollars, all right, trickling in here and there. So you can join. They have a free, like a free plan where you can join as well. And if you scroll down, you see where I highlighted watch entertaining videos. All right, so you earn points by watching videos, entertaining videos. You can also answer surveys, but this video, like I mentioned earlier, is about watching videos, so you're going to concentrate on watching videos. So this is how much they have paid to members over time. All right, you can see right here. All right, so I'm just going to show you this website. So it's going to be a quick video. It's just for you to go in the description box. If you're looking for the links to these videos, you see it in the description box. Go there, click it, and get started with them. Most of this website, especially the international websites, all right, they pay in dollars. It means that you need to have either a PayPal account or a Payoneer account in order to get your stuff. And most of them you get cashback rewards, gift cards, and all of that in exchange for watching videos. All right, so Swagbox is one of those websites. All right, so the link is going to be in the description. Go there, click it, and get started. So let's move on to Inbox Dollars. Is the next website. It's an international website as well. So when you sign up, you get $5 bonus, all right, on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you one more thing at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. That's how I would always advise you to watch to the very end. Like I mentioned earlier, these are places where you earn little money here and there, all right, but then it adds up and it comes in handy. All right, if you're making $1, $2, at the end of the day you're making like $100, $50. It goes a long way here in this country. All right, you can see here watching videos, right? Be rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys. Now the concentration is watching videos, as mentioned earlier. All right, so this is Inbox Dollars. I'm going to put the description also in, and I mean the link to the website in the description box. So go there, click it, and get started with it. All right, so let's move on straight to the next one. The next one is Enably. It's called Enably, like you earn. All right, so basically digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. So similar to Inbox Dollars, similar to Swagbox. All right, these are international websites, so you sign up with them and this is what it looks like. You'll be able to make make some points, and you can be converted to cash, gift cards. It can be converted to cash or any other stuff that they have on the website. So these are the things you can see right here. This is Enably. The link will be in the description, so all you need to do is just go here, sign up, and then you get on it. All right, it's actually as simple as just signing up and you are on it and then watching the videos, the ones that are available. All right, so the next one, which is the fourth one, all right, is Ad Wallet. Ad Wallet is basically a platform where they pay you for watching adverts. All right, so brands want your attention, make them buy it. So what they are doing right here, people just post adverts for you to watch. You know, for example, you're watching TV, and you know you're watching TV ads. They're not paying for those, or you're watching some kind of you're watching YouTube videos and ads just pop up. You watch those videos. They are not paying you for watching them, but on this website you'll be able to watch these ads and then you get paid. So it's quite similar to that Nigerian website I'm going to show you. So basically, get rewarded for watching videos from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth about $3. All right, so plus unlock exclusive offers. So I'll put the link to this fourth website, all right, the Ad Wallet, in the description box. So go there, click it and get started. All you need to do is come here, sign up, and then follow the steps to get on this platform. All right guys, so if at this point you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go right now, click the red button, the red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you know when new videos drop, because what I do on this channel is explore new diverse opportunities of making money online. All right, making passive income, active and passive income online for you. I come here, bring it and share them with you so that you can take those steps as well and make some passive and active income for yourself. All right, so we are doing what I call a win-win thing. I do the stuff, I come here, and then you take the steps and try it out. And in the comment section, of course, please go there, click it, and put in your comments. Let me know which of these ones you've tried before, or the ones that you're yet to try, or maybe if you've tried them right now, what your experience is like, so we can share them. And if you need any type of help, all right, put it in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply all of them. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much. All right, so let's move to the last one. I don't know if it's the best one, but of course I'm just reserving it because it's a Nigerian website. Most of the websites that I've seen so far are usually foreign websites, and for this one it's called AdViews Pay. As you can see it, earn daily from home on the go, in cool cards for just viewing photo, adverts and videos, cash out fast. So what I see about this, if you scroll down, let me see again. All right, surest way to earn daily money online. Okay, so about AdViews Pay, a dynamic online platform where you get paid for clicking and viewing advert posted by other users. All right, so you can make withdrawal requests when you have a minimum of 1,000 naira. All right, so you can see right here, you can start earning without a registration fee. Yeah, so they have a free plan, I believe. You can subscribe to a paid plan and cash out faster. So they have a free plan. All right, from what I see here, let me see, zero starter fee. You can start earning on our platform without a membership fee. View more per day. Our membership plans allows you to view more ads per day. So if you're registered to the membership plan, okay, they have a referral as well. And with referrals, where you refer people and earn more, you can refer other users and make more money on our platform. So you can, okay, so these are the membership plans. The starter plan is 0 naira, so you don't pay, but the daily limit you can see here is 2, meaning you can only view 2 videos or 2 adverts per day. All right, so I think from what I heard from someone who's already on this platform is that you make about 10 naira, 5 naira per view. I think it depends. It ranges between 5 naira and 10 naira. So get me clearly, all right? Please don't quote me wrong. You're right. So it ranges between 5 naira and 10 naira. I think videos are usually 10 naira and other adverts are like 5 naira thereabout, but it ranges between 5 naira and 10 naira. So if you're viewing 2 ads per day, even if you're viewing 10 naira ads, that's like 20 naira. It might take you long to get to that 1,000 naira threshold, as in withdrawal threshold. And they have the other plan here, 500, where you have 30, and the 1,000 plan has 100. Okay, 100 times 10 naira, that's 1,000. So it means that if they have up to 100 advert videos on this platform at a time, you can actually watch the whole 100 in a day and make 1,000 naira. So it means you can actually cash out 1,000 naira within 1 day, like every day or every other day, I believe so. So it's 1,000 naira. So I would recommend you go for the 500 or the 1,000 naira plan. It makes a whole lot of sense, so you can cash out faster from what I can see here. So these are their frequently asked questions. You can see it right here. All right, so the link will be in the description. You go there, click it, and all right, so there's a question I saw here, so let's just go through it. How can I become a member and start earning? Simply register, sign into your dashboard and upgrade to a membership plan. After this, you can start clicking to view ads and earn. Okay, so when you register, the process is that you register, and then after getting into your dashboard, you need to now upgrade to a plan, maybe to the free plan or to any of the plans, either to the free, the 500, the 1000 plan, and then you now start viewing ads. So without upgrading to a plan or subscribing to a plan, you can't start viewing ads. I mean, from what I can see here. All right, so I am on the free plan and can only view 2 ads per day. Why and how can I view more ads? Yes, with the free plan you can only view 2 ads per day. Upgrade to the premium plan and advanced plans to see up to 30 ads and 100 ads per day respectively. Okay, so that's it. You can see right here. So go on the website. I'll leave the link in the description so you can get more information for yourself and then get on the platform and start earning. All right, I'm also going to do the same because I'm not on this platform currently, but a friend of mine who's using it saying he's cashing out already on the platform, and that's why I felt okay, I have to come here, do it, and do the video and get on it. All right, so guys, go ahead, get on this website AdViewsPay, and we'll share experiences together in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know your experience about it and the other websites. Now, the international websites, I said I'm going to share something with you, is basically that most of them require, because most of them are not available here, so you need to use a VPN. All right, there are free VPNs out there like Urban VPN. That's what I currently use, and other types of VPN. So if any of them doesn't allow you to get on them, so maybe you can use a VPN to get on to access those websites. But this Nigerian website, I think it's a way to go. All right, guys, so you can see right here, it's actually a very the first one I showed you was Swagbox, the second one Inbox Dollars, the third one Enably, the fourth one was Ad Wallet, and the fifth one AdView. All right, so go right now in the description box. I'll leave the link to all those websites in the description box, so you go there, click it, and get started with it. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.